Hello friends, and today we have our beloved Milwaukee nutgun, and the customer told that it's working, but sometimes the AC wobbling and sometimes it's hard to press the button here to change the modes. Yeah, we can hear the sound. It goes from the anvil here. Of course, we still want to check the side of all the tool. What we have here, the bearing looks good, the gear looks good, straight, the bearing sounds good. Okay, getting the armature bolts and the armature. We can check here, it's surprisingly clean. Okay, what we want to see this trace. It's good or not, but this one looks surprisingly clean from the inside. Of course, that's not a bad sign, that's a good sign. You can check, the customer told that sometimes it's hard to press this one. Okay, I don't know, maybe we can try cleaning it or something. Okay, we'll check on that. What we want to see now is our hammer casing inside, and you can see where the anvil goes to the housing. Remove this one. Okay, the ball that goes here. The washer, I don't need it now. Okay. You can see we have the dried grease here, and we have the dirt and the grease inside of the here. Don't know how to show it. So basically we need a new housing here, I think, and we need to good clean this one. Of course, maybe I will try to clean both of them and assemble them back to check if we have the same problem. Maybe the problem will vanish when we will clean it. We'll see that. Okay, after cleaning this part, we can see that we have small damage on the anvil. You can see the pitting of the metal, but basically it moves easily, and yeah, it can be the sound when it goes up. It's wobbling a little bit, so I will try to regrease it and put everything back again. Then I will test it. I will use the graphite grease, I think that is how it calls in English. Okay, so I will start from the gears here. We'll put a little bit to the bearing. Some grease here on the spring, just to get it spread everywhere when the tool will work. Okay, it spins very easily. So now I will put some grease inside here. We'll grease the part here, and I hope that excess grease will go out. Put in the bowl. I hope that excess grease will go out on the housing and all around the other parts. Okay, greasing the anvil, inserting it, and I hope that all the grease here will be spread all around on the housing. Okay, we have the washer. Goes here like that. And I will put some grease on it. The grease will prevent the washer to stay in a place when I will assemble the tool. Now I can try to close everything. Okay, let's see how it will go to the housing. Okay, we have the arrow here. Honestly, not seen it before here, and don't know where it must be. Okay, everything looks pretty solid. Now we can check if everything spins. Yeah, everything spins around. So I will insert the armature. Okay. Now of course I cannot move it, and as you can see when I'm moving the anvil, the armature wants to move, but of course the magnetic field inside and it's hard to move. Okay. So okay, for now we don't have the wobble sound when the tool is working like that, so that's a good sign. Of course, it can be that the grease will dry out and we will have the sound again. The part itself, the housing and anvil, costs about 100 euros, and basically will not do anything more bad for the tool. You can use it until it will wobble a lot and will and you will not work comfortably with it. So basically regreasing and leaving it like that will not hurt the tool, and you will save a lot of money. Thank you for watching, and bye.